Welcome back to all you fish in a barrel. I'm Archbishop William Scoggins, and it's time again to talk about the massive shotgun blast of ice and rock from Cassini's grand finale. I fucking warned you, and now it's begun, and it's not over yet. The Imperial Regent of Lord Rael has posted a major disclosure to the congregants. Just to clarify up front, the world is continuing to hear sky trumpets and the sounds of tectonic movement because of Nibiru's proximity, causing stress on the Earth. But those are not the sounds we will be discussing now. November is being called the month of booms because of the unprecedented amount of huge and often rapid-fire sonic booms. These were reported globally, some so fucking intense they shook houses, neighborhoods, and even shattered glass. Our little planet just experienced the first wave of ice asteroids. Cassini's secret nuclear explosion displaced these objects from Saturn's rings. And Lord Rael cleverly told the world this was coming when he tweeted, "Guns N' Roses, November Rain." The lyrics, "Cold November Rain," served as an overt message about the ice asteroids, though it was not the only message. In fact, I spelled this out for you months ago, in September, and again in November. To the doubtful, it may have sounded like a long shot when I told you the explosion would send devastating debris flying this way. Now, the smallest and fastest of those ice chunks have hit the atmosphere. Consider it a courtesy call from Saturn with love. These ice asteroids do not leave a smoke or fire trail across the sky like the average meteorite. Instead, they enter Earth's atmosphere at supersonic speed, causing the sonic booms, then quickly vaporize. However, as the next wave of larger chunks come, you can expect them to make it to the ground. People, this is the beginning of Skyfall. Alex Jones is already reporting the elite have begun to go underground, as expected. Remember, Revelation chapter 6, verse 15, and Isaiah chapter 2, verse 19, prophesied the elite would do exactly that. Revelation chapter 6, verse 15, and the kings of the earth, and the great men, and the rich men, and the chief captains, and the mighty men, and every bondman, and every free man, hid themselves in the dens and in the rocks of the mountains. Isaiah chapter 2, verse 19, and they shall go into the holes of the rocks, and into the caves of the earth, for the fear of the Lord, and for the glory of his majesty, when he ariseth to shake terribly the earth. However, your typical wage slave doesn't have a hole that fucking deep. So, if you prefer to live, repenting to Lord Rael, the returned Christ, is your only reliable lifeline. Give yourself to God. I'm Archbishop William Scoggins. Bend your knee now. The sky is falling.
Myself and others here at ABN are exceptionally dedicated to giving everyone the whole truth. We have staff all over the world, and many have already dedicated their lives to being a part of or helping this cause. We rely on the kindness and generosity of others so we can continually deliver the unadulterated truth, and your donations play a crucial role in helping our staff continue their mission. Please consider sending even a small donation to Armageddon Broadcast Network at gmail.com on PayPal. You will find the donation information below in the description field. Remember to love God and love each other. Thank you and God bless.